Insurance is really an interesting field because you touch people every day, and it may not be directly, but indirectly with claims or with working with them to write their business. Maybe they're starting a new company and they need to find insurance, so you're working for a way to find that solution for them. So you're really helping people reach their goals, reach what they're looking for, either personally or professionally with their businesses.
I went to college to be a teacher and a coach. Changed my major, I think my junior year, to computer science. Knew nothing about computer science, just chose it because, number one, because I knew nothing about it, but number two, because at that time it was really an up-and-coming curriculum and career opportunity. And I just happened to get my first job with an insurance company, Motorists Insurance.
So actually the way I got into insurance is kind of interesting. I went to a career fair at college. I went to Capital University here in Columbus. And so I stopped by and there was an insurance company and they said, "Hey, would you like a career in insurance?" And I said, "No, thank you." Because I thought it was all about sales and being out there and being in the agency side, because that's what you see you know, when you're growing up, is just that side of insurance. So I looked into it a little bit more to see what other careers were there, and it just seemed so interesting. There's so many different places to go, not just in the insurance side where you can be in underwriting or claims or sales, but also on the other service side. So there's technology, there's finance, there's accounting, you know, actuarial sciences. So there's many different places to go.
I went to Ohio Wesleyan University, double majored in math and economics, planned on teaching math, coaching basketball. By my senior year, I was kind of tired of basketball and took an interview with Connecticut General just out of the blue. Went out, they told me about their actuarial program. With my background, I'd be a fit. So long story short, I took a position with them and pursued the actuarial exams. And what's kind of interesting with that is, and I encourage students now looking at insurance, that there's so many career opportunities that we offer as an industry. But I think it's important that you go deep and get the technical skills before you go wide with your general management and leadership skills. And that's one thing that I kind of stumbled into. This actuarial science gave me the opportunity to go deep and learn the technical skills. And it really prepared me then for some of the other career opportunities that I've explored and had the opportunity to have leading to this position. Look at the world right now. I think there's kind of like maybe three major things happening. You've got the shared economy. You now have really connected homes, the smart homes, and then you've got the autonomous vehicles. So now you look at, well, how are we set up to respond to that? And I think there's three things there. There's data everywhere. So more data than we've ever, could think of. It's real time. And you've got mobile access. You look at your phone, you look at every person has mobile access to that data. And then the third thing is artificial intelligence. So now with no human, involvement, we have the ability to take that data, access and distribute it to anywhere on any device and turn it into really knowledge. And that is really reinventing, I think, the insurance solutions.
I think innovation and insurance have become synonymous. It's really the new norm in this industry, because in order for us to be competitive, you've got to think differently. You have to be creative and you have to innovate.
Just keeping up with all the changes that have happened through technology. Cyber liability is a big thing right now, in the sense that you hear all the time, well, this person got hacked or that person got hacked. So how are we going to cover those people when they lose that information? So it's everything that's changing with technology and with the different way of doing service, I think is really why insurance has to keep up and keep innovating.
I shared with you a little bit all the different exposures and opportunities I've had in my 34 years here, and that has also grown exponentially. I would say I've learned more in the last 5 or 6 years than I have my entire career prior to that, because of the pace of change. And I think just all the technology and all the things that are disrupting our industry and disrupting our company is exciting.
We are completely transforming the platform and the customer experience with that.
When I was in claims, it was obviously a great experience. You talk with people, and sometimes it's the worst day of their life, and you kind of have to walk them through and explain what's going on and give them that friendly voice of it'll be okay, and this is how the process is going to go, and we're going to be here to help you along through this.
The average compensation within the insurance industry is well above the norm, and it's much more stable, and the long-term career opportunities are extremely broad. And I think even the mobility, so I look at myself within the same industry and the various, I've lived in New England, Central Ohio, the Southeast and the western part of the United States, spent some time in Minneapolis in the snow, and all that was available to me through the insurance career and the variety that it offers.
So I would say to somebody coming out of college, make sure that the insurance industry is top of mind, because we offer so much.
Everybody wants to feel challenged at work, and they want to feel like they're contributing to something bigger than themselves. And when you look at what we offer as a career in insurance, it does both of them.